Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are in the mood for some serious cleaning motivation because today we are doing a whole house clean with me. I am tackling my entire house. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you're probably wondering and noticing that we are home. Yes, we are home. We got home about 2 days ago. I actually filmed this the day after we got home, but I'm uploading it 2 days after. I was so excited to get back into the swing of things and clean my entire house. When we left it, it was actually pretty clean, but coming home, we are still trying to unpack our motorhome. That's going to take, honestly, probably like a full week, doing a little bit here and there every single day. So this week, the weeks coming up, I'm going to have a ton of cleaning motivation here on my channel. I'm so excited. I'm also going to be doing a spring clean and decorate me sometime this week. I am trying to get some spring decor right now. With everything going on, it's kind of making things a little bit harder, but today we're going to go ahead and clean my entire house, and I'm super excited about it. So like always, I seriously feel like I am just picking up right where I left off. We are starting off in my kitchen. I'm basically just going around and putting everything where it needs to go. I had a lot of trash I needed to wipe down. Basically, this entire video is going to be putting some things away because we had brought in some stuff from outside, but also just cleaning everything because when we left our home, we left it for about 2 months. Everything kind of got dusty and stuff sitting over the winter. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much wipe everything down in this video. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. I have a ton of it that I just want to go ahead and use up before I try something different. So that's what we're going to go ahead and use today. So I'm curious to know how the weather is for everybody. When we woke up this morning, there was snow on the ground, and by like 11 o'clock, it was all melted, and it was like 50-something degrees, and the sun was out. So it was just the craziest thing coming home from Florida and South Carolina to snow and then to like warm weather in the afternoon. I don't know, it's crazy. So comment down below what the weather is like where you live.
He got it out for me, you know. He's such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no. So spit it out to my face. It's okay. I've been busy working.
You'll be seeing my husband pop in and out here just within like the next probably 2 minutes of this video. He was home for a little bit and then he left to go ride, but I feel so bad for him. We haven't been with our dogs. For those that are familiar with my channel, we have 2 German Shepherds and my husband is allergic to them, so not being with them all winter and then coming home and being with them right away, it has completely messed up his allergies. So that was him taking some allergy medicine. This happens every single year and it will probably take like a week for him to kind of get back used to being around them, but that's what is happening right now. But we are so excited to be home. We all woke up this morning and we just like jumped out of bed and we're just so excited to be here. We had a really good winter living in our travel trailer and everything, but we are so excited to be home. So next we're moving over here into our little breakfast nook area, and I'm just cleaning off this table and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with the Mrs. Meyer's wood cleaner. And yes, that is still a Christmas runner on my table. We literally left like 2 days after Christmas to go down south for the winter. So I have some Christmas decor still up in my house and I think it's the funniest thing, but we're gonna go ahead and take it off. And then I want your guys' input. I was thinking about getting this is kind of like risky being a mom of a toddler, but I really want like a white or some kind of crochet or like cream color table runner for this table. I feel like since the kitchen is dark gray with the dark table, I feel like adding some white on it will make it pop. Let me know down below what you guys think.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the...
Since I had the wood cleaner already out, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the wood surfaces here in the main living area. So I'm starting off with this little end table, and then I'm going to go ahead and move into my dining room and wipe that down, as well as all of the chairs because they were super dusty.
Patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
So our chairs are all lined up over there because before we left, Evelyn had this thing where she would climb on them and then she'd get on the dining room table. So I just kind of lined them up all over there. But now that we're home, I'm sure you saw in one of the clips of me cleaning the kitchen, you could see her climbing up the chairs. That is her new thing. So if you mamas have any recommendations on how to keep her off of these chairs, I tell her no every single time, and then I'll take her off and I'll get down on her level and I'll say no, we do not climb on these, and then I'll put her somewhere where she's supposed to be. But let me know if you guys have any tips, because I'm sure it's going to be a little tough to break her throughout the next few weeks. Her being in a travel trailer all winter and then coming home to the house, there's so much more stuff for her to do and to get into. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys would do in that situation.
I'm always in, no, Passion in the comatose, baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down.
So now I'm back in the kitchen area and I'm just picking up everything off of the ground. But as I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I have a ton of home improvement projects that I want to work on from now until, you know, all summer and spring and all of that. But a few are my laundry room. I want to completely redo the laundry room. I want to do something different in the dining room. I need to finish our closet. I need to really tackle the closet in the dining room area. There's like a utility / linen closet. It's pretty big, so I need to go ahead and actually put like shelves in and make that functional. But that is everything. That's a few things that I want to do here to this house. There you just saw me cleaning up all of Evelyn's toys. Another thing that we want to do is we want to make her playroom. So these are my options. I either have the upstairs bonus room or I have the spare bedroom, which is downstairs right off of the living room, if you guys have seen like my home tour and stuff like that. So I'm thinking I'm going to do it in the spare bedroom just because if Evelyn has all of her toys upstairs, I feel like I would have to be up there with her the entire time rather than having the room downstairs where I can still kind of see her while I'm cleaning and doing stuff like that. So let me know down below what you guys think as well. I feel like it'd be safer for her right now to be downstairs for a playroom, but then like we have to not have that as a spare bedroom, but we could put stuff upstairs because our upstairs is huge. It's just one big room. So I think that's what we're going to do. And then if we have another baby anytime soon, we will just, at that time, Evelyn would be old enough to, I think, go upstairs in the playroom. I'm not sure, but that is my dilemma right now. But I need to get all of her toys out of my living room because they are taking over, as you saw. Next, we're into our master bedroom, and we're going to go ahead and just clean up in here, make the bed, kind of put stuff away, and do all of that.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise, deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic, standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction? I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead. Tonight I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had, we lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise, deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic, standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction? I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead.
Sorry about the lighting in here. Once I opened up the windows and the blinds and stuff, the light kind of gets all crazy in here, but I did open up the windows to get some fresh air, and it was probably one of the best things I could have done. I feel like opening the windows seriously just makes your house so much more fresh and airy, and we've been cooped up a lot this winter, so I am so for opening up all the windows in the house and getting some fresh air. But right now I'm just wiping down our side tables with the same wood cleaner that I was using before. And then you're probably wondering why Evelyn's pack and play is in here. She does sleep by herself now. Sometimes she ends up in our bed. Most nights she ends up in our bed. But when we were living in the travel trailer, she was sleeping out in the living room in her pack and play. And when we got home, since we haven't been home in a while, I didn't want to just go ahead and throw her in her own room by herself. I feel like that would be really mean. So last night she slept in the pack and play in our room. Right now she is napping in her bedroom, so I'm going to wait a few days and have her nap in her room, and then I will move her into her bedroom at nighttime. But that's why that is in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this runner off of this bureau that we have and then just kind of wipe it down and get that out of here. I feel like it looks more cluttered when I have this on top of it. I know during I think I did this in my Christmas decorate video, a lot of people said they liked it, but I feel like it looks more cluttered once it's on there. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down and then vacuum, and that is pretty much it for this video.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this whole house clean with me. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'm not sure what my posting schedule is going to look like over the next few weeks. I will probably be posting at least twice a week. I will let you know once I know more, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!